Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Labiba, Selo. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, Min.
You're fine.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There you go. Aira is joining us too.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selo, video on. Okay. So as usual, Aulia is still having her Maghrib prayer. How about you, Labiba and Aira? Have you prayed Maghrib? Prayed Maghrib?
Yes, I have.
Labiba, have you?
Yes, I have.
So Keisha is also still not here. Hey guys, do you still remember what we read the last session? What story was it?
Gulliver and Lilliput.
Thank you, Selo. Nice. Gulliver and Lilliput. Okay, so Gulliver and Lilliput. Do you remember that those Lilliputians, those little people, tied Gulliver to the ground? Why did they tie Gulliver to the ground? So they could draw on Gulliver or what? When Gulliver woke up, he was tied to the ground. So why did the Lilliputians tie him to the ground? Nobody? No, let's check the story again then because nobody remember Astaghfirullah. So sorry. I'm having it. I'm burping. Here. Allahu Akbar. When I woke up, I heard noises. My arms and legs were tied to the ground with ropes. So why do you think he was tied to the ground? When somebody tied you, why? For example, I kidnap you. This is an example, okay? I kidnap you and I tied you. Ah, why did I tie you? Guys, kalau ada orang diculik terus diikat, kira-kira kenapa diikat? Why did a why was a person tied? Tabiba, Aira, Selo, no idea? You don't know? Oh, I'll give you two options. Go Aira, why?
I don't know.
You don't? Okay. I'll give you two options. Gulliver was tied to the ground so he could run away or so he couldn't run away.
He couldn't run away.
So he couldn't run away. Jadi nggak bisa melarikan diri. So that's why he was tied to the ground. Okay. Let's check other questions about the story. Please open your student book to lesson 4.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Aulia, welcome to the class. Okay. Your classmates just answered number 1. Why did they tie Gulliver to the ground? Labibah, Aira, Selo. Please tell Aulia the answer again. Labibah, Aira, yeah. Aira, go.
He couldn't run away.
There you go. So, ayo, Allahu Akbar. Hang on. Let me reshare, okay? When I share like this, can you see my video? Can you see me?
Yes, I
Oh,
can.
oh, still, okay. Because this new Zoom is a bit, um, I still cannot. So he couldn't run away. Okay, that's the, I'm going to try in the chat box. Allahu Akbar, the same. Google Translate, let's try. It's so difficult to write on Zoom. So Gulliver couldn't run away. That's number 1 answer. How about number 2? What do you think is the answer? How did Gulliver communicate with the people from Lilliput? Check this one out. The answer is here. It's in number 4. How did Gulliver communicate with Lilliputian? Anyone? These are good questions because you cannot find the answer right away. You need to summarize. May I speak Indonesian, please?
Yes.
Pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini bagus karena kalian tidak akan menemukan jawabannya secara langsung di buku, tapi kalian harus menyimpulkan dari yang ada di buku. Kesimpulan dari nomor 4, how did Gulliver communicate with Lilliputian is here. Nobody? Labiba? No? Selo? No? Alia? Still no? Aira?
No.
No, okay. Check this one out. What does it say?
Speak well.
Speak well. How can you speak well if you don't know the language? Guys, how can you speak English well?
Study.
Study. You learn the language. The same with Gulliver. So, how did Gulliver communicate? He
He learned their language
he learned
well.
he learned the Lilliputians language well. There you go. Mhm. There. You can write the answers in your student book in case you forget. Ooh, number 3 is also good. When did they set him free? When did the Lilliputians set Gulliver free? Oh, hang on. I have another question. Before Gulliver learned the Lilliputian language, how did he communicate?
Bahasa isyarat.
In English, what is bahasa isyarat in English?
Sign language.
He used sign language. There you go. Thank you, Aira and Aulia. He used sign language. Now, when did the Lilliputians set him free?
Because he asked the emperor to set him free.
When he asked the emperor to set him free. I'll take that answer. Let me type it in the chat box. When he asked the emperor to set him free. How about number 4? Why did Gulliver want to escape to Blefuscu? Da-da-da-da-down. Dude, this is the so why did Gulliver want to escape to Blefuscu? Do you still remember Blefuscu and Lilliput had a war? But Gulliver didn't want to do one thing. So why did he want to escape to Blefuscu? What was that one thing he didn't want to do? Because he didn't want to.
Capture the blue Fuscurian people.
There you go. Because he didn't want to capture the Blef, Blefuscudian people. That's the answer. Because he didn't want to capture the Blefuscudians. There. Okay. That's about Gulliver. Oh, number 1. I forgot to put number 1. Now my chat box is working. Ta-dam. There. When you finish writing them on, oh yo, Allahu Akbar. Oh, yeah, it's in the chat box. When you finish writing them on your student book, please show them to the camera. Hang on, Aira. Spotlight. Okay, thank you, Aira. Mwah. A kiss for Aira. Mwah. Oh, yo, hang on. My phone is dang ding dang ding 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 ding. Let me turn it off. Okay. Cello, are you done with the answers? Writing the answers? Can I see your student book? I cannot see it. Ah, there you go. Thank you, Cello. A kiss for Cello. Mwah. Ew, Miss Teddy. Ew, ew, ew. Aulia, hang on, Aulia. Thank you. A kiss for Aulia. Mwah. La Viva. Thank you, La Viva. I can see it well. Thank you. Mwah. A kiss for La Viva as well. Okay. So now we're moving on to our next lesson. Everyone, please open lesson 5. Okay. Now, in lesson 2, we already learned about the grammar. What was the grammar in lesson 2? Please check your Story Central book. Grammar Central, lesson 2.
Reported speech.
Speech.
Nice, thank you, Aira Cello. Reported speech. Today, we're still going to talk about reported speech, but this time it's for this part. What is this for?
Question.
Questions. Got it. Oh, hang on. Ira still say question. Mm. Mm, mm, mm.
Question.
Can you see this, Ira?
Question.
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 So there is a ch in the middle. Okay. Just like reported speech for this in lesson 2, there are 2 things that we are going to learn. Okay, in lesson 2, we are using I'm, he is, she is, they are. And then the second one, we use we do, they do, she does, he does. In lesson 4, we're also going to talk about 2 types of reported speech. The first one, I'll go with the easy one first. Oh, I'm going to ask you, do you want to go with the easy one first or the difficult one first?
Easy one.
Easy one. Okay. The easy one is this, a yes, no questions. The yes, no question. Jadi kalau pertanyaannya yes, kalau pertanyaannya jawabannya adalah yes or no, you need to make the reported speech like this. He asked if I, what's the verb in this sentence? Kata kerjanya apa?
Like.
Like. And we need to change like into verb 2. What is the verb 2 of like?
Like.
Liked. Got it. It's easy. Yo, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ah, there you go. He asked if I liked writing. Simple. Okay, let's try. I'm going to ask you this, and you need to tell me the reported speech. Leah learners, do you like English? What's the reported speech? Miss Teddy asked, Do you like English?
Miss Tati asked
Hmm?
if we like English.
Did you? That's the answer. Thank you, Ira. So Miss Tati asked if we liked English. Nice one. Very good. How about this one? Mm, mm, mm. Do you do you enjoy playing games? Do you enjoy playing games? Do you enjoy playing games? Which one that you change into verb to?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. So, what's the sentence? Is that the asked?
Miss. Tadi apa pertanyaannya?
Do you enjoy playing games?
Miss Tati asked if we enjoy playing games.
You said you need to change enjoy into verb to. What's the
With
verb?
ed.
So enjoyed.
Enjoyed. Miss Tati asked if we enjoyed playing games.
Ooh, playing games.
Playing games.
Hang on, hang on. How do I do this? Where is the reaction? Reaction. Where's my reaction? Ding, ding. I cannot. Yo, because I share the screen, I cannot have reactions. Can I do this? Where's the reaction? It doesn't show. Okay. Anyway, Miss Tati asked if we enjoyed playing games. Okay, now let's go in the chat box, everyone. So this time, all of you need to type the answer, okay? Miss T. Yo. Kambuh lagi dia. Hang on. Okay. Do you there you go. That's the question. Do you want some cookies? While you're typing, I'm going to have my coffee. Do you want some coffee? Almost. I wanted some more. Some more. I wanted. There you go, Aulia. Oh, coffee. Wait, Aulia. I am drinking coffee, but my question is cookies, not coffee. There you go. Sati asked if I wanted some cookies. Celo got it first. Alia got it second. Okay. If I wanted some cookies. Coffee is not. Labiba, Ira, you haven't typed the correct sentence. Sati asked if I wanted some cookies. There you go. Aira? Ya Allah, Miss Titi Wai. Astagfirullah. My name changed into Titi Wai. Okay. While Aira is typing the correct sentence, let me ask a question. May I speak Indonesian, please?
Yes.
Kira-kira kenapa sih kita belajar melaporkan sesuatu seperti ini? Apa fungsinya gitu? What are you doing? Copy, paste, and edit your sentence, Aira. Ini buat Selo, Aulia, Labibah, sementara nungguin Aira. Kenapa juga kita belajar melaporkan perkataan orang lain? Emang fungsinya apa gitu? There you go, Aira. Ada yang tahu kenapa kita belajar ini? Fungsinya apa? No idea? Miss Teti mau tanya, pernah nggak kalian dikasih tugas sama gurunya, terus kalian harus jelasin tugas itu ke orang tua kalian? Ini loh, Ma, aku tuh diminta sama guruku besok harus bawa bla 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 bla. Pernah apa enggak? Yes or no? Yes, pernah. Yes. Labiba?
Yes.
Yes. Aira?
Yes.
Yes. Nah, ini let's say you are all grown up. Katakan saja, sekarang ini kalian udah dewasa. You are having your college or your university in England, for example, or the US. Kalian kuliahnya di Amerika atau di Inggris dan harus pakai bahasa Inggris. The lecturers gave you an instruction. Dosennya ngasih kalian tugas. And you need to do it in a team. Kalian harus melakukannya dalam kelompok. One person doesn't come to the lecture. Ada satu orang yang nggak masuk waktu dosennya jelasin tentang tugasnya. Don't you have to report what the lecturer said? Kalian kan harus melaporkan ke teman itu. Apa sih yang diomongin sama dosennya? Ya kan? Nah,
Yes.
that's why we need this in our life. Okay? Jadi kita perlu belajar biar nggak bingung nanti. Okay, how about this one? Now we change to Mr. Andika. So Aira doesn't get Miss TTTY. Mr. Andika said, "Ew, Mr. Andika, do you go to school?" So which one that you change? So sorry, Aira. Verb 2, not ES. What is the verb 2 of that verb? Oh, so sorry, Aulia, not gone. Gone is verb 3. Ah, Ira got it right now. Oh, wait. Mr. Andika asked if I went to school. There you go. Labiba got it right too. Mhm. Hello, got it. Mr. Andika asked if I went to school. Okay, everybody got it right. Mhm. So remember, the same as reported speech in lesson 2, you also need to change the verb into verb 2. Now, we're going to go to a little bit difficult one. Yang agak sulit sedikit. Sedikit. Okay. The second one is when you use WH questions. WH questions, for example, we have where. What else?
What?
What?
Why?
Why?
When?
When?
Why?
Dan? Why? Siapa?
Who?
Got it. When we use these questions, you need to put that word to in the sentence, in the report. She asked where I lived. So for example, if I type like this, it's still Mr. Andika. How do you change this into a reported speech? Mr. Andika, where do you go to school? Earlier you said, do you go to school? Mr. Andika asked if I went to school. Now, Mr. Andika asked, mm, Labiba got it right. Mm, mm. Holy, I'm so sorry. It's not where did I? No. You need to change it right away. Do you live into where I lived? Andika asked where I went to school. There you go. Aira also got it right. There, Sela also got it right. Mr. Andika asked where I went to school. Okay, now Alia got it right. There you go. How about this one? Do you still remember my question about cookies? What was my question about cookies? Guys, what was my question about cookies?
Do you want some?
Do you want some cookies? Yeah. Now I'm going to add a WH into my question. And it goes like this. Why do you want some cookies? Do. Oh, Selo, not when. The verb to of want. I got it right. Wanted, not went. The verb to of want is not when, but wanted. Next one, Aira. Labiba, Yay, got it, Abiba. Okay, Selo got it right now. Aulia. There you go. Aulia also got it right there. So that's the two types of reported speech using questions. Now let's go to our conversation here. Take a look at this conversation. Who are talking in the conversation?
Rufus and Yasmin.
Rufus, Yasmin. Only Rufus and Yasmin.
Was Yasmin, Scarlett, Angelo?
Rufus, Yasmin, Scarlett, and Angelo. Who is thinking in the conversation?
Angelo?
No way. Take a look at the picture. Who is thinking? Da-da-da-da-da.
Hamish.
Hamish is thinking. Okay, so we have four characters. Keisha is not here today. Oh, Keisha is having her school tests today. I forgot about that. Okay. So who wants to be Rufus? Who wants to be Yasmin, Scarlett, and Angelo? Scarlett only has one line. Nice.
Aira.
Ira, who do you want to be?
Yasmin.
Yasmin. Okay. Ira.
Angelo.
Angelo is out. Okay. Angelo out. Okay. Celo and Labiba, who do you want to be? Rufus or Scarlett?
Labiba, Scarlett.
Wait, Celo and Labiba, rock, paper, scissors. Ready?
Rufus.
Okay, there you go. Celo is taking Rufus finally. Labiba. Okay, let's try this one. Ready? Rufus?
Jonathan Swift wrote Gulliver's Travels. It's one of my favorite books.
It was a great story. I'd like to meet him.
He died in 1745.
Oh,
1745.
Oh, one more time, Ira. Oh,
oh. We need an outdoor voyage.
Really?
Yes, she visited Story Central last summer. I asked her which books she liked and where she got her ideas.
That's right. I asked her what she did in her time.
Oh yes. Then she asked me if I like reading, and I said I did. She asked me who my favorite author was, and I said it was her. She she laughed and asked me why, and I said she was the only author I've met.
Haha, that's so funny. I want to meet an author.
There you go. Thank you, class. Thank you, Selo. Thank you, Aira. Thank you, Labibah. Thank you, Aulia. We have some words that we need to review. How do you say this word again?
Favorite.
It is correct to say favorite, but it will be better if you just say it in 3 syllables. Two syllables. Favorite is 3. Favorite. But you can say it in 2. Favorite. Favorite. Okay. Aira, favorite.
Favorite.
Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite.
Habiba?
Favorite.
Those are 3 syllables. Cut the O, Labiba. You don't have to say the O. Favorite. Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite.
Aulia?
Favorite,
Favorite.
favorite,
Fav.
favorite, favorite,
Thank you, Labiba. Aulia, so sorry. Selo?
Favorite.
Fill the O. Cut the O. Fav.
Favorite.
Fav.
Favorite.
Masih ada O-nya di tengah kedengeran. Hilangin O-nya. Favorite.
Favorite.
Favorite. Favorite. Favorite. Lebih cepat lagi.
Favorite.
There you
Favorite.
There. This one, Selo has corrected himself. Tadi Selo udah benerin dirinya sendiri. It's okay. So how do we say it, Selo?
Favorite.
This one. The numbers.
What means?
The number. How do you say it again?
Mm, 1745.
At the beginning, Selo said 1,000. Oh, so hard. 1,007. And then Selo remembered. Oh yeah, 1745. Correct. Well done, Selo. Okay, there you go. And this one, is it meet or met?
Met.
Met. Got it. Meet is with double E. This one is met. And then this one.
Apa sih?
How do we say it?
once,
Once. Got it. So not once, not sh, but S. Once. Once. Okay. Check, check. Selo. Once.
Once.
Aulia. Once.
once,
Habiba. Once.
Once.
Still once. Hang on. Don't say it with shin, but say it with sin. Once.
Once.
I still hear once. Once. S, not shin. Sin. Sh.
Once.
Like this, Labiba. Hang on. Once. There.
Once.
There you go. Aira, once.
Once.
There. And then this one.
Really?
Really? Thank you, Aira. Let's say it together, everyone. So turn on your audio and we'll say it together. 1, 2, 3. Really?
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 So not really. Really. Really?
Really?
And this one. Ta-da-ta-da-ta. Is it asked or asked?
Ask. Ask.
Asked. Okay. There, Cello finally got it. Oh, asked. So not asked, but asked. Okay, asked. And the last one,
Author.
don't say ow. We need to change it into o. Author.
Author.
Author. Okay, check Labiba. Author.
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 Yeah, author.
Author.
Hey, I cannot hear it, Aulia. So sorry. One more time.
Author.
Author.
Author. Okay, Cello. Author. Cello. Author.
Author.
Not ow. Author.
Author.
So, for example, when we say Aulia's name, it's Au, but this one is not author, but author. Okay. Aira already said it, but one more time, Aira.
Author.
Author. What does it mean by author?
Penulis.
Penulis. There you go. Author is penulis. Now, we already learned about reported speech using questions. Please underline the reported speech using questions in this conversation. Which one? Which ones are the reported speech using questions? Aulia got one. Okay. Oh, actually, it's two. Oh, Aulia got three. So 1, 2, 3. But this one is also, who's this, by the way? Aira also got one. Got it. Yo, Aulia is fast. She already got 4. Who's this yellow one? Yellow. Where's the yellow line? Why is it gone? Labiba got 1. Got it. Aira got 2. Oh, hang on. Aira, is this reported speech using question? I said she was the only author. No, this is not a question. The question is this. This one. You missed one more. Dear learners, there's one more reported. This one is also no. There you go. She asked me why. Okay, not this one. So sorry. She asked me why. So the one with asked. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe. Labiba, please choose one of the reported speech using question and please say it. Go, Labiba. We have so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choose one and say the sentence.
She asked me if I like reading, and I said I did.
Wait. Stop. Did I underline this? Did your friends underline? No, this is not a question. What's the question again? One more time. She asked.
She asked me if I liked reading
Stop.
and
There you go. She asked me if I like reading. Done. Okay. The next one, Aira. One sentence.
mm, she asked me who I who my favorite author
You missed one word. She asked me who my favorite author
was.
was. That's the question. Okay. She asked me who my favorite author was. Celo, your turn.
She she asked me who my favorite game.
She asked me
Who my favorite game.
she asked me who my favorite.
Favorite game.
From this conversation, Celo. There is no game in the conversation.
Mm.
We already underlined some sentences that we say are reported speech in questions. Now, your classmates already mentioned too. She asked me if I like reading, and she asked me who my favorite author was. Choose another sentence. Hello. Choose one of the sentences and say it.
She laughed and asked me why
Stop.
and
Stop. That's the question. She asked. She
she she she asked me why.
Stop. That's it. Udah sampai situ aja reported speech pertanyaannya. She asked me why. This one is not a question. Yang bagian ini bukan pertanyaan. I said. So not a question. Okay, there you go. The last one, Aulia.
I asked her which books she liked and where she got her ideas.
Only one part, Aulia. Choose one. I asked her which book. Go, Aulia. You don't have to read from end because this is another question.
I asked her which book she liked.
Stop. Okay, there you go. Now, this is what we're going to do next. You need to change your chosen question into a direct speech. For example, I asked I asked where she got her ideas. I choose this question. I asked where she got her ideas. So, direct speech in the chat box would be like this. You can type in the chat box. Okay, check this one out. The sentence is, I asked where she got her ideas. And the direct speech is, where do you get your ideas? Now you need to change your sentence into something like my sentence. So Aulia will be, I asked her which books she liked. Habibah will be, she asked me if I liked reading. Ira will be, she asked me who my favorite author was. And Selo will be, she asked me why. Please type it in the chat box. It's your almost Ira. Your favorite author. Please edit your sentence. Selo should be the easiest one and the fastest one. So Selo sentence. You can use I or Rufus. It's okay. Rufus, which book do you like? Nice one, Aulia. There you go. Rufus, when do... Oh, hang on. Hang on. Cello change. Hello. Your question is only this. She asked me why. When do you get your ideas? That's my question. Where she got her ideas? Where do you get your ideas? Cello, your sentence is this. She asked me why. Why did you change into my sentence? Ira, who is your favorite author? Ira, who is your favorite author? No, was. Is your favorite author? Udah bener, cuman kenapa ada wasnya lagi di belakang? Wasnya udah jadi is.
Typo.
Oh, please repeat. This one is, who author do you? Ayo, malah kacau balau yang kedua. Yang pertama udah nyaris benar. Habibah, how about you? You already got it right. Which book do you like? Which books? Actually, ooh, there's an S, Aulia. But it's okay, I'll take it. There you go, Aira. Who is your favorite author? Okay, let's wait for Labibah and Sel. Selo paling gampang. She asked me why. Labibah, how do you change this? She asked me if I liked reading. Labibah's sentence is also easy because it's there in the Grammar Central. Alia fixed her sentence. Okay, nice one. Aviva, your sentence is in the Grammar Central. She asked me if I like reading. Jing Jing, Laviva, and Cello, the easiest ones, and they get confused. Laviva sama Cello kalimatnya paling gampang-gampang malah bingung. Laviva, it's here. Here. She asked me if I like reading. She asked me if I like writing. Tinggal dirubah aja. Hello, yours is so easy. Nia and Aira, because you have finished, I challenge you to this sentence. I asked her what she did in her spare time. How do you change that? While we're waiting for Labiba and Sil. And this is your sentence in the chat box, right? You just have to change this into a direct speech. Jadi kalimat langsung gimana? Huh? Rufus, what's your hobby? No way, Labiba. The question is, she asked me if I liked reading. Lihat lagi contohnya. Oke, Labiba. He asked me if I like writing. The direct speech is, do you like writing? He asked me if I liked writing. Jadinya, do you like writing? Now, how about this one? She asked me if I like reading. So, what's the question? Mira, what are you doing? You changed this one. I asked her what she did in her spare time. This is for Aulia and Aida because they have finished with their sentence. Astagfirullah. Selo bingung kebingung sebingung-bingungnya bingung. Padahal sebenarnya Selo paling gampang. She asked me why. Pertanyaan Selo tuh ini. She asked me why. Jadi ada favorite sport. Gak ada yang ngomongin sport, Selo. She asked me why. Silakan dirubah jadi kalimat langsung. Labiba, how is it? if I liked reading. Saya lu bingung. Kalimat kalian tuh yang ada di percakapan ini yang rubah kembali jadi kalimat langsung. Labiba, your sentence is, she asked me if I like reading. Tadi Labiba pilih ini. She asked me if I like reading. Let's change this into, yeah, well done. Let's change this into a direct speech. Sekarang ini diganti balik jadi, she asked me. Bukan Rufus yang nanya. Nanya siapa? She asked me. Iba bingung. Saya lo lebih bingung. Segini gampang. She asked me why. Okay, check this one out. This is Labiba Selo sentence. Okay, Selo, check the chat box. This is your sentence. That's it. Gampangnya. She asked me why. Berarti she, pertanyaannya apa? Why? Udah. That's why I'm confused. And this is Labiba. She. Labiba, check in the chat box, Labiba. Do you like reading? And then the important speech is, she asked me if I like reading. Jangan heboh sendiri, sebenarnya ini gampang. Okay, now this is what we'll do. We spend too much time doing the previous activities, but it's okay. I'm going to split you into two groups. Habibah will be with Ini Mini Tiny Podcast. Aira, Selo will be with Aulia. In the breakout room, you need to make two questions. Two questions. One is using yes/no question. One is using WH question. For example, the yes/no question is, do you have a brother? And then the second question is WH question. Where do you sleep? When do you sleep? So it's up to you. Any WH or yes/no question. One each. So let's try. How many questions will you make in the breakout room?
Okay, question.
Still question. How
Two
many
question.
Two
Mm.
questions.
Question. Yeah.
One is, yes. Satu pertanyaan yang jawabannya yes, no. One is yes, no question. And one is, guys, what's the other question?
W question.
WH question. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes in the breakout room. When you go back to the main room, each person will say one question and the other team will change that question into a reported speech. Ready? Get set and go. Ira with Labiba, Aulia with Selu.
The question like, do you like playing basketball? Mau nggak? Boleh. Oke. Itu question one.
Yeah, have you got 2 questions?
Yes.
Who's going to say yes, no question?
Oh, yeah, yes, no.
Yes, no, so Cello will be WH. Okay. Yeah, can I hear your question first?
What is, do you have a sister?
Sure, okay. Cello, your question?
What is your school?
We don't say your school. What is your school name? School's
What is your school apa, Miss?
name. Is your school's name?
Dan
Biasanya kalau orang bule, orang penutur asli bahasa Inggris nggak bilang apa sekolah. What is your school's name? Mereka biasanya cuma bilang where do you go to school? Ya nggak apa-apa sih.
suaranya putus-putus, Miss.
Kalau penutur asli biasanya mereka nggak tanya nama sekolahmu apa. What is your school's name? Tapi mereka biasanya tanya where do you go to school? Kamu sekolah di mana? Tapi kalau Selo sama Aulia tetap mau tanya what is your school's name? Ya nggak apa-apa juga sih. So I'll go back to Aira and Labibah. Labibah, Aira, did you get the second question?
Yes.
What is it?
What is your favorite color?
Nice. Okay. Let's meet in the main room. Ta-da! Okay, so team 1 and team not team 1 and team 2. Team Lampung and team Jakarta Solo. Who's going to do it first? Team Lampung or Jakarta Solo? There's no team Surabaya because Keisha is not here. So, team Lampung or Jakarta Solo? Guys?
Jakarta Solo.
Okay, Jakarta Solo, go ahead. The first question by Aira.
Okay. Do you like playing basketball?
Wait, stop. That's it. Aira, you need to
Oh,
first. Aulia and Celo are going to change that into reported speech.
okay.
Aulia, Celo, go ahead. Please change Aira's sentence into a reported speech. Aira, the question one more time.
Do you like playing basketball?
Nice. Aulia and Celo, you only have 1 minute to change Aira's sentence. Okay. 40 seconds. Aira asked me, so sorry, Aulia, not quite right. 30 seconds. 因为我做得到。Do you like playing basketball? Let's go, Aulia. Aira asked me, do you like snow? No way. Celo, we don't use do anymore. Aulia, why did you answer yes, I do? The question, Aulia. Oh, no, Aulia and Celo didn't get the answer. Take a look at this again. For do you know question, how do we use the reported speech? Aira asked me if I liked playing basketball. No do, no you. Aira asked me if I liked playing basketball. Okay, so Aira and Labiba, 1 point. Aulia Celo, 0 point. Yep, so sorry, Aulia and Celo, the time was up. Okay, now it's for Aulia and Celo to say their question. Aira and Labiba, get ready to change it into a reported speech. Ready? Okay, go ahead. Aulia and Celo. The question is,
Do you have a sister?
Labiba and Aira, your time is 1 minute. Do you have a sister? "30 seconds." Labiba and Aira. Aulia asked me if I had a sister. Did you? Nice one. Aira and Labiba got their second point. Yep. Aulia asked if I had a sister. Nice. Very good. So Aira, Labiba, 2 points. Aulia Celo, 1 point. Okay. Ready? Labiba, now it's your turn to say your question. Celo and Aulia are going to change it into a reported speech. Go, Labiba.
What is your favorite color?
Aulia and Celo, you have 1 minute. What is your favorite color? Labiba asked me what, almost so close, Aulia. You need to put the verb at the end. She asked where I lived. So the verb is at the end. Labiba asked me Habiba asked if, no if, Selo. Ay, oh, no. No if. If is for do you. Check this one out. No if in the W question. She asked where I live. No if in the W. So sorry, Aira Labiba got 3 points, but Alia and Celo only got 1 point at the moment. It should be Labiba asked, what my favorite color was. Okay. The verb is at the end. Kata kerjanya dipindah, taruh ke belakang jadi verb 2. Habiba asked what my favorite color was. Okay, there you go. Aulia Selo, your last question, Selo will read it. Aira and Labiba are going to report it. Ready?
Do you have a What is your school name?
Aira, Labiba, you have 1 minute. Da, 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 da. Celo asked me what my school name was. Nice. Oh no, so sorry, Aulia and Celo. Aira and Laviva got your question right. Celo asked me what my school name was. Well done, Aira and Laviva. You got the complete points. 4 points for you. Nice one. Aulia and Celo got 2 points from the questions. I forgot. So sorry. Hang on a second. So there you go. Okay. The time is not even over yet, but Aira was so quick. Very good, Aira. Nice one. Okay. So now we have these questions. Please take a look at your student book to activity 2. We already changed some of this, okay? Now, let's try and find a number 2. Where do you get your ideas? Which one is the reported speech for this in the conversation? You can find it in the conversation for number 2. Ideas, ideas, ideas. Anybody? Where do you get your ideas? What's the reported speech?
Sorry, Miss.
So, what's the reported speech for number 2? Where do you get your ideas? Find ideas in the conversation. Guys, we already changed this earlier. Okay, go, Celo.
I asked her which books she liked and where.
Only ideas, only ideas. Where do you get your ideas? Dari tadi Miss Tati udah bilang itu ada 2 pertanyaan di kalimat itu. 1 pertanyaan aja. I asked where.
I asked where she got her ideas.
There you go. Thank you, Celo. Well done. I asked where she got her ideas. Number 3. What do you do in your spare time? Spare time. Let's go. Find spare time.
I asked
Mhm.
what she did in her spare time.
Wow. Ask what she did in her spare time. Thank you, Aulia. There you go. Number 4. Oh, this is Labiba's sentence. Do you like reading? Go, Labiba. Oh, Aira wants to do it. Okay, go, Aira. No problem.
She asked if I like reading.
Nice. She asked if I liked reading. Number 5. Who's your favorite author? Author. Ah, Labiba found it. Go.
She asked who my favorite author was.
Not I, but my. One more. She asked me.
She asked me who my favorite author was.
There you go. And the last one. Why am I your favorite author? Ini tadi Selo, yang Selo bingung, sampai sebingung-bingungnya. What is the reported speech? Go, Aira, you can answer it.
She asked me why.
Oh, that's it. She asked me why. Selo nyarinya kemana-mana. She asked me why. This is a lesson for you guys. When you have a question or a test, coba dilihat dulu kertasnya secara utuh. Atau dilihat dulu bukunya secara utuh. Siapa tahu di bagian itu ada jawabannya. Nih, jawaban yang semua kalian cari itu tadi ada di sini. Kalian aja bingung nyarinya entah kemana-mana. Kan Miss Teti maunya kalian cepet jawabnya, tapi ternyata kalian bingung sendiri. Gimana cara jawabnya? Lah ini udah ada di sini. Oke, hati-hati membaca pertanyaan. Hati-hati membaca instruksi. Sebenarnya nggak susah karena ada semua di situ. Oke, there you go. Now, we are at the end of our lesson today. So what did we learn today, everyone?
Reported
Reported
Speech.
speech.
Reported speech questions. My question is, do you want to have a password out or do you want to go out right away?
With passport.
Password. Aira said password. Selo, Alabiba, Aulia, password or without password?
without password.
Without password. Selo, password 1, without password 1.
Password.
Password 2. Okay. Labiba, password or without password?
Without password.
Without password. No, no. Ini, mini, miny, mo, catch, tiger, bother too. Oh, so sorry. Without password today. So Aira, Selo, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today's session. Today is Monday, so inshallah, we will meet again on Wednesday. Okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good
Okay.
night.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Mhm. Bye, Aulia.